Hello guys, in this video I will show you yet another AI website that I found out on internet. For past 2 months I am using this website, ChatBox, chat-box.ai. It's an ultimate website which constitutes all the premium models such as Claude, Opus, Google Gemini 3 Pro. We also have OpenAI, GPT, Quen, DeepSeek. All the premium AI models are there inside the single website, and they just offer this single subscription you can take monthly in rupees here, 3 months. So once you purchase their subscription, you can actually generate unlimited chats. So no daily limits are, or no caps are there. So you can able to use those premium models at unlimited. You can generate chat coding apps. You can even generate images as well. You can chat with PDF, doc, Excel file as well. So once you land on this web page, I've already logged in inside my Google account here. So they offer this chat interface right here. You simply select the model, whatever model that you want to use. You can see that inside the model section, we have all the AI models, premium AI models, which are there. Claude Opus, Claude Sonar, DeepSeek, Llama. We also have Grok, Copilot, OpenAI. So right here, you can ask any sort of question that you want to. Simply type the prompt here. I'm just using the free account right here. But unfortunately, the free account doesn't offer you anything. You need to purchase a subscription right here, which offers you all these models at a reasonable price right here. If you pay it yearly, you will just put 23 rupees per day. You can even purchase it monthly as well, which will simply cost you around 68 rupees per day. So once you click on continue, and it will just offer you 25% discount as well. So right here you can purchase it through your credit card, Google Pay. Simply enter the information, click on submit. After that your subscription will be activated, and then you come to the interface. And they also offer all these tools which are tailor made for specific use cases, which are, you can see that various models which are there. It also offers you image generation as well at unlimited rates. Once you purchase a subscription, you also can do web search as well related to the internet. You can find out anything. AI filter, you can apply various filters to your photographs as well. Copilot, as you can see that various AI models are there. So this is for image generation. So these are some of the images which are generated by people right here. You can see that you simply type the prompt and then say generate the image. You can apply the aspect ratio, you can apply any kind of style right here. I think I've already used all my free chats, but if you log in with a different account here, they do offer you the free chats feature as well. So let me log in with a different account here. So if you log in with a different account here, they do offer you free chats feature as well. So once you sign up, you can see that right here. You can select the model right here, and inside the free plan, you can see that this is a free plan. They do offer the 7-day free trial as well, so you can try the pro features for completely free. 7-day complete free trial, no limits, unlimited features. You can use the access to all the premium AI models. You can click on start free trial. Right here, you simply add your credit card information, and then after, it will not charge you anything. And you can try this for completely free, the free trial for 7 days. If you are interested, then you can purchase this. So So yeah, so various tools are there as I showed you. You can see that. So all the images will appear right here, and so it's a very handy website. It contains all the AI models in a single place. So definitely check this website out.